Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use find and replace option in Word. Just open Word document. I want to search one word like computer in this document. How can I find this word? Just go to the editing and find option and type computer and search. It will display all the results. There are 6 words of computer in this document. You can see. You can also find any word by formatting. How can we search by formatting? Just go to the editing and in find option there is a advanced find option. Find word computer. I want to find the word of computer which is bold. Go to the format and click font and select bold. Find word computer, format is bold. Next, it will search computer which is bold. You can search any word by formatting as well. It is a good technique to search any word. And I want to change computer word into a laptop. There are 6 words in this document. How can I change in one attempt? Just go to the editing and click replace. I want find word. I want to find computer word and replace with laptop, but format is bold. I don't want bold. I simply change all the word of computer. Go to the font option and select regular because I use bold option in last example, and replace all. Word has completed its search of document and has made 5 replacement. Okay, because it find font not bold, not italic. All the word of computer has been changed except bold computer word. You can replace any word in this document by using replace option. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.